Changing your phone number on a WhatsApp account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your number quickly and easily. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account that you want to update. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right tab for iPhone to open the menu. Select settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Navigate to account. In the settings menu, find and tap on account. This section contains options related to your account settings. Step 4. Select change number. Within the account menu, choose the change number option. This feature allows you to change the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Enter your old phone number and your new phone number as prompted. Follow the instructions to verify your new number through a code sent via SMS. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be successfully updated on your WhatsApp account. If you encounter any issues, refer to WhatsApp's help section for further assistance.